Greetings, Benjamin J. the Victrola Canophonic Records with another in the series. Well, an interesting project. I found this online. Aeroplane, Unbreakable Records. These are from Australia. Anyway, as you see, it says 2 overlapping discs. So it has the same label on both sides, which I thought was interesting. Anyway, I copied the label, and I only found one audio file of this song. In fact, it was from the original record. Anyway, I did a quick transfer. This was originally a 78 floppy disk, and I recorded this at 33 and, of course, duplicated the label.
What would I do if it were you making me blue? I went and had my fortune read. Someone to blame, the gypsy said, but she wouldn't say who. Maybe it's you making me blue. Maybe it's you.
So, as you see, a really noisy original recording. But I declicked it and got it at least listenable. So as you see, a really unique record label. Aeroplane, Unbreakable Records. Oh, maybe it's you, and it's 1,000,000 to 1 you're in love. Anyway, I thought this was really cool, so I made a copy of it. And I'll put the second song on the other side. It's interesting that it has the same label on both sides of the record. Anyway, I just wanted to do a quick video. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to drop me an email. TheVictrolaGuy@gmail.com. And as always, thank you for watching.